Hey everyone! The Acemagic Matrix Mini M5 is an ambitious entry into the high-performance mini PC space, aiming to deliver desktop-class power in a footprint that easily fits into the palm of your hand. With Intel's 14th generation Core HX processors at its core, this system is clearly designed for users who want serious computing muscle without committing to a full-size tower. At just 28 by 28 by 41.3 millimeters, the Matrix Mini M5 is impressively compact, yet Acemagic has managed to integrate CPUs that are typically reserved for gaming laptops and mobile workstations. The availability of both the Core i9-14900HX and Core i7-14650HX configurations gives buyers a clear performance ladder to choose from. The Core i7 variant, while more affordable, still offers a robust 16-core, 24-thread setup with turbo speeds up to 5.2 GHz, making it more than capable for demanding professional and enthusiast use. Thermal management is often the Achilles heel of powerful mini PCs, but Acemagic addresses this with a dual-fan, dual-heat pipe cooling solution. This setup is designed to maintain stable performance during prolonged workloads rather than just short bursts, which is crucial given the high power potential of HX-class processors. While the system relies on Intel UHD graphics rather than a discrete GPU, this is a reasonable compromise considering the size, power envelope, and target audience of the device. Memory and storage flexibility are strong points of the Matrix Mini M5. Out of the box, both configurations come with 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM and 1 TB SSD, which is already generous for most users. The inclusion of both PCIe 4.0 X4 and PCIe 3.0 X4 or SATA compatibility allows users to balance speed and capacity depending on their needs. Connectivity is well thought out and modern. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, the Mini M5 is ready for fast wired and wireless networking. The port selection is practical and versatile, featuring high-speed USB-C and USB-A ports on the front for easy access, along with additional USB ports on the rear for peripherals. On the software side, the Matrix Mini M5 ships with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, which adds value for business users and professionals. The fact that Linux and Ubuntu are officially supported also broadens its appeal to developers and enthusiasts who prefer open-source environments. Extras like wall mounting support further enhance its flexibility, allowing it to be hidden behind a monitor or integrated cleanly into minimalist workspaces. Pricing positions the Matrix Mini M5 competitively, especially considering the class of processors it uses. At $639 for the Core i7 model and $749 for the Core i9 version, it offers a strong balance between performance, size, and cost. Overall, the Acemagic Matrix Mini M5 stands out as a compact yet extremely capable system that blurs the line between traditional desktops and mini PCs. It's best suited for users who prioritize CPU performance, upgrade flexibility, and multi-display support in a small form factor, making it an attractive choice for professionals, power users, and anyone looking to save space without sacrificing speed. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this mini PC? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.